into our room, but our room's not ready yet. Cheers! Here's a good plan. I'm really just gonna sit here. We're probably gonna get a drink later. Hello guys, and welcome back to the vlog. As I mentioned in last week's video, we are doing our annual Cabana Bay staycation. We just got here. I am here with Tamia, and we did check into our room, but our room's not ready yet, so we came over to the bar. But you guys will be so proud of us because this year it's not just us and Danielle. There's so many of us this year. There's gonna be at 1.8 of us. Not everyone's staying the whole weekend, but it should be really fun, and I am so excited. We got drinks to start out the weekend. It's Tamia's birthday that we're celebrating, and it should be really fun.
Okay, I don't even remember which drink I got, what it was called.
The punch?
Was it? It was the Aloha.
Yes,
it was the Aloha punch, and then you got the
Mai Tai.
Mai Tai. Okay, here we go.
Oh, okay, same time. Oh, that's good. That is straight alcohol, though.
This is straight pineapple juice.
What the hell?
Like, I taste the curacao in it, but it's like basically straight pineapple.
Oh, that one's really good.
Holy shit.
That's straight alcohol. But the funny thing is that yours has more alcohol.
Mine has more diversity in alcohol.
Yeah,
but
this
maybe
one-
yours has more alcohol.
Possibly.
Do you see what I'm saying?
Well, mine's just rum. This is gin, vodka, and rum.
And rum.
So I guess the mix.
Holy shit. That's going to take you a long time to drink.
Yeah,
Because
I'm gonna be here for a while.
that tastes like straight
This
hand
is-
sanitizer.
I wouldn't say it's straight hand. I still like it. I taste the orange.
I didn't taste anything.
Oh.
You could have told me there was only liquor in that and I would have believed you.
No, I taste it, but it is very, very strong.
And we're gonna chill here and just, I don't know, hang out.
Yeah.
The pool's really busy, so that's kind of why we're at the bar area right now.
Yeah, we thought about going to the pool, but all the chairs are taken. It is, though, it's like 2 o'clock, so it makes sense that it's really busy right now. Small little update. It's been a couple hours. We did request a early check-in when we first booked the room, and then Tamia also requested it when she checked in at noon, and we still haven't gotten anything, and it's close to normal check-in time. Like, we're literally 6 minutes away from normal check-in time, so hopefully we'll get a room soon. But we've still just been chilling by the bar. I got another drink. This is... Not gonna lie, remember, I forgot the name of this. I want to say it was like the Fun Punch or something like that, but I added coconut to it. It is so good. I am just mad at myself because every single year, we've been coming to this hotel for 3 years now. We always get this cup, the souvenir cup. It's like $4 to add it to your drink the first time you get it, and then every time after that, it's you get a $4 discount from any drink. So instead of your drink being $17, $18, it's like $13.50 or something. And every single year, I'm like, I don't need this cup anymore. And then we come back. So did have to pay for another one, but she's cute. We'll be back at the pool. I think on Sunday, we're like fully planning on just doing a pool day. So we'll be back then. Some of the other girls are also on their way. They texted a little bit ago saying that they were, they're carpooling because you do have to pay for parking here. So they should be here any minute now. Some others aren't getting here until they got off of work. I was lucky enough to have a half day today at work, which was amazing. And then some aren't getting here until like dinner time, which is at 7:30. So we're all just like little trickling in, but we've been chilling. We've just been hanging out. It's actually not that hot outside, so it's actually been enjoyable to sit out here, thankfully. If it was like 90 degrees and 100% humidity, I don't know. Tamia and I would be so happy about it, but it should be fine. Dinner tonight is going to be at Antojitos in Universal at CityWalk, which we love that restaurant. We went last year for the first time. It was so good. They have like live entertainment and dancers, which is really fun. So I'll show you guys that once we get there.
Yeah, you.
Yes? Can you give us money? We made it into the room a while ago. Everybody is doing their best pose for you guys. Clearly. There's Casey. And the birthday girl, as she should be. But let me give you guys a little bit of a room tour. You don't have to hold it anymore.
Oh, we're done.
Yes. Okay, so right up the front, we have our bathroom. Hello, don't mind me with a million cameras. We do have, obviously, the hairdryer, all the stuff you need. And then this is a pretty big bathroom. There's also shampoo, conditioner in here, and the best part is that there is a huge mirror right outside the door here. It's also nice that they have the sink out here because then everyone can get ready and you don't have to worry about someone being in the bathroom, you know? And then right here, have a room. Everyone is having so much fun. Don't mind them. And then we have our beautiful Volcano Bay room. There is also a coffee machine in here. And then in this little drawer, there is also a mini fridge and obviously the TV. We do also have a connecting room.
Happy birthday to Mia! Get the weekend started!
It was sweet. We should have gone for the ice.
Yes. It's never gonna be good. Warm, guys. Like no matter how.
I don't know. I didn't think it was that bad. We're headed out to dinner, so I did a little quick change. Top is from Target, little skirt is from Amazon, shoes are Target, and the bag is Shein. And then earrings, I think, were also from Amazon or maybe Target. I'm not 100% sure, but we're gonna go to CityWalk. I think I mentioned it earlier. We're gonna do Antojitos, so vibes were like springy, a little more casual. So I'm kind of obsessed with this. I thought it was a dress at first when I tried it on, but it looks cute. We made it to uni. There's some show happening here. Not really sure what, but we're headed here to Antojitos. How cute we all look. We do look so springy. The colors.
I'll be in the middle.
In the middle of the dance circle.
My head will be spinning.
We made it inside. Here is the gorgeous menu. I don't remember what I got last year, but I remember everything being so good. And then, of course, the drink menu. Definitely a margarita needs to be had. We got drinks. I just did a strawberry margarita. So good, actually. Oh, but it's a little too sweet, I'm not gonna lie. Cheers! Cheers to you! Happy birthday! We got our food. I did the steak quesadilla. I've tried this before, it's really good. And then Danielle over there has shrimp fajitas. There's a lot of quesadillas on this table, but we're just gonna eat. Cheers!
Dude, I'm so excited. I'm like into the sauce. No. I was like,
Guys, don't mind the singing in the back, but look at that view. Good morning. Ignore the fact that I look awful. We just woke up not that long ago. Some of the girls went down to get coffee. We woke up to a gorgeous view of Volcano Bay, and we're gonna start getting ready and probably head down there in like the next hour or so. We do have early entry when you stay at this hotel. It's only like 30 minutes, but the nice thing about this hotel, and I'll show you guys, is that there's a special entrance if you're staying here, so you don't have to do the whole like buses and go into the parking garage. You literally can just like walk on over, which is really convenient. So we're gonna do that in a little bit. And yeah, it should be a good day. I'm so excited. All right, so here is the private entrance. It's just next to one of the front towers, and you literally just go through here. Security's right there, and then here in the park. Look at her. She's beautiful. Have we been here for 3 weekends in a row? Yes, but that's irrelevant. You guys, it's also the most perfect day out. There's not a single cloud in the sky. It's not stupid hot, at least right now. This is peak Volcano Bay season. You guys already know, we're starting off with a drink. We got our drinks. I did the same tamarind margarita that I got last week. It is so good. This might be my new favorite drink here. The only problem is that it's not cute. Like, everyone has cute little blue drinks, and I'm just like, my little brown one. It looks yellow on the camera, but it is very much like dirty dishwater brown. Cheers.
juicing for breakfast.
Juicing for breakfast? Yeah, this is the first thing we've eaten or drank today.
Exactly.
Probably not the healthiest, but still very good.
Happy birthday!
We grabbed some food, as you guys know. Papa Hadinas and Coxinha had to get, and then we also got some pizzas. That way we can all split it. Cut the Papa Hadinas into 4 little pieces. That way everyone can get a bite. Tamio. Explain yourself.
Explain myself what? The towel?
Yes.
I didn't bring a hat
Mm,
and it's hot.
I see. It's a look.
Is it?
It is.
Good.
Yeah.
I felt like it was giving desert sands, you know?
I see. Sorry if this is super blurry. You're in a pouch around my neck. But we just tried to go on Krakatoa and it's down for apparently a new reason. So we'll come back in like 30 or so minutes. But for now, we're going to go in the fast, lazy river. She's cold. Alexa's laughing at us because it's cold. Smile. Swallowed so much water. I look crazy right now, but how do you protect the drink? Definitely got some water in this drink, but you know, it's fine. Casey just swimming the lazy river.
What's it gonna be, guys?
No.
shit.
No. Wait, it's way too. Not on the bed.
Here we go.
Tamia doesn't like to eat on the bed. This is what happens when no one thinks about getting plates. You guys, midnight snack. We ordered pizzas to the room. I got a barbecue chicken pizza. We have 2 pepperonis, a margarita pizza. Did we probably order too much? Yes, but that's okay. Good morning, you guys. It is our last day here, which is so sad. We just went down to Starbucks, and on the way back, Danielle, in case you're still downstairs, but we decided to get seats at the pool, and it's Easter today, and there's an Easter egg hunt. These children, wild. The running, the grabbing, the war chants. People are like, ah, for these eggs. It's like actually insane. But we do have to check out in a little bit. I think Tamia and I are in here now. We're gonna pack our stuff, put it in the car, and then Danielle and Casey are gonna come up and do the same. And then we're just gonna hang out by the pool all day and enjoy our last little bits. We have the Volcano Bay view one last time. I say that as if we're not gonna come back next weekend to Volcano Bay, but she's beautiful from up here.
That doesn't matter. You don't have to know that.
It doesn't matter. Made it to the pool. It took Tamia and I way too long to clean up the room. We thought we were in there for like 30 minutes. We were actually in there for an hour, which, so sorry. But my matcha was still cold when I came down, so obviously it wasn't that long. And it's really peaceful. They did just throw more Easter eggs out for the kids, so there's gonna be rabid children around. But yeah. Oh my god, look at the little baby duckies going into the pool. They're the ones putting the eggs out. In terms of the plan, we're really just gonna sit here. We're probably gonna get a drink later, and then we're gonna finally get to reading. I've been reading Daisy Jones and the Six. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I love this author. She is so good. It is incredible book. It reads super quick because it's all like interview style, and it's about like the making of this rock band in the 70s. I also heard that there is a Netflix show, I believe. So my plan really is to try to finish this so we can go home and watch the show. But yeah, we're just gonna sit, we're gonna chill, vibe, enjoy the weather, get a little tan on. We didn't do a lot of sitting around yesterday at Volcano Bay like how we usually do when we go on the weekends. So this is really like our one chill day of the vacay. Other 2 girls are packing up, and then you kind of just text them to check out, but you're allowed to sit at the pool on your checkout day for as long as you want. Also, if you come in and you check in early and your room's not ready, you're allowed to sit at the pool then too, which is what we did day 1. So yeah, we're just gonna hang out, probably stay here for like a couple hours. Ooh, they also just brought out the Easter bunny for this. I've never been here during a holiday weekend, so it's like crazy to see the stuff that they do. Although last year we were here around this time, was it not Easter? It wasn't.
No, it's got eggs.
Weird, but Easter Bunny's also handing out eggs to all the kids. So honestly, if you have little kids, this is a great time to come. It is obviously way busier than usual, but they do seem to be doing a lot of activities. We also saw Groot in the lobby day one. We saw a couple other characters in the lobby. So yeah, they have a lot going on. Yes, hello. Lunch is served. We got a little crispy chicken Caesar with some potato wedges. We all got it. Cool for a lunch. It looks great. That feels solid. I realized I never finished the vlog, so I'm so sorry, but we have made it home. It was such a fun weekend though with all the girls. We had such a good day today too. Like, it was just relaxing being able to sit by the pool, and for the first time in 3 years, we thought ahead of time and got ourselves nice chairs by the pool instead of like scrambling and trying to find something. We did leave a little bit earlier in the day at like 2 o'clock-ish, just because Danielle has a 4-hour drive home. So obviously didn't want her to get home super late. It is a Sunday after all, but it was so nice. I'm sorry if I didn't vlog as much as I usually would have in the past, but with just everyone there, I didn't want to be like disruptive and pulling out the camera, but still a really great time. If you guys have any questions about Cabana Bay, Volcano Bay, or just staying at Universal in general, let me know, because it's honestly one of my favorite things to do. I need to go and do more of the Universal hotels. We stayed Cabana Bay, we stayed at Portofino, which that hotel is also gorgeous, and I want to do another stay there because we didn't take full advantage of it. But I want to do all of their hotels. I love the Universal hotels. I feel like especially in recent years they've done a really good job at upgrading them and just giving you way more value. The ones by Epic are gorgeous. Helios is like my dream hotel to stay at, so maybe one of these days we'll finally get to go over there. But yeah, it was a really good weekend. So thank you guys so much for watching, sticking around. I have no idea like how chaotic or good this video is, but hopefully it wasn't a bad watch. If you've stayed this far into the video, as always, please like, comment, subscribe, do all the things, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.